In this video, I will show you how to make a poll in Discord. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see currently on Discord. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to the server from your server list on the left hand side that you want to make a poll for. Then what you want to do is click onto the text channel that you want to create a poll in. Now once you've done that, if you come down to the message box at the bottom, what you're going to want to do is click the plus icon to the left hand side. And from these options that come up, you're going to see an option to create poll. So all you want to do is give that a click, and this is going to bring up the create a poll screen. So from here, what you need to do is enter your question into the top box. Once you've done that, you can come down and type your answers into the answer boxes underneath. By default, there are two options available, but you can add additional answers by pressing the plus button here and add in your additional answers. If you want to delete these, just come and click the trash can icon next to here. Then what you can do is choose the duration of your poll, so how long you want this to be live for. So you can see you've got a few options by clicking this box here. And if you want, you can tick this box to allow multiple answers, which means that people can select more than one choice. Now, once you've set everything up, just come down and click the blue post button at the bottom. And as you can see, here is our poll created. So we can just simply go ahead and select what one we want, and then click the vote button to apply our vote. So that is how to make a poll in Discord. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.